In this video, I'm going to show you how to send silent messages on Telegram using your PC, quickly and easily. This is a really useful feature when you want to send a message without making a sound notification on the other person's device. It's perfect for late-night messages, non-urgent updates, or anytime you want to be considerate and avoid interrupting someone. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Telegram tips and guides. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, open Telegram on your PC and go to the chat where you want to send your message. Now type your message just like you normally would. Once your message is ready, look for the send button on the right side of the message box. Here's the important part. Instead of left-clicking the send button, right-click it. When you right-click the send button, a small menu will appear. From that menu, select Send Without Sound. As soon as you click that option, Telegram will send the message silently so the recipient gets the message without a notification sound. This is a great way to share something important without being disruptive. Just remember, the message still gets delivered normally, it simply arrives without the sound alert. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to send silent messages on Telegram from your PC in just a few seconds. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.